Start.
Dear all friends, in my opinion, this topic is related to the impact of global warming in our surrounding as well as ecosystem. Dear all friends, global warming is increasing in temperature of Earth's surface and ocean.
Yes, my dear friend, I am totally agree with you. In my opinion, smoking coming from the factories is the main cause of global warming, and our countries should take preventive steps to control it, and all the countries come together.
Yes, dear, my friends, I am absolutely agree with you. But global warming is the emission of different harmful gases, just like chlorofluorocarbon, methane, ethane, and it is the most affected animal and human beings, and we should control.
Yes, friend, I agree with you in my opinion. The global warming is the result of different harmful gases from various power plants like CO2, methane, chlorofluorocarbon. So this is the main cause of global warming. So government should take some preventive steps to control it and to save our environment.
Okay, dear friends, I am totally agree with you. But global warming is emission of different harmful gases, various like chlorofluorocarbon, methane, carbon dioxide.
All the
and
students
various
have to
power
maintain
plant
eye contact with your colleagues.
Yes, definitely. I am totally agree with you. The smoke coming from many factories is also the main reason of global warming, and all the nations should come together to save our environment.
Dear
Yeah,
friends,
I agree with you. Global warming is the result of different harmful gases from various power plants like carbon dioxide, CO2, and CFC. This is the main cause of global warming. So government should take some preventive step to stop it.
Dear friends, I am totally agree with you. Due to global warming, ozone depletion is increasing day by day. That prevents from ultraviolet rays, and that prevents from ultraviolet rays which comes from directly from the sun, and it is the harmful for our whole humanity.
Yes, definitely. I am totally agree with you. Due to global warming is very dangerous for our humanity, because global warming increase the high temperature and it will melt the ice and it increase the sea level, and this is very dangerous for all humanity.
Yes, dear my friends, I am absolutely agree with you. First of all, I would like to define global warming. Global warming is the increasing in temperature of Earth's surface and ocean, and the main cause of global warming is deforestation, pollution, and greenhouses are also main cause of global warming.
Yes, friend, I agree with you. In my opinion, global warming. Global warming is the result of emissions of different harmful gases from various power plants.
Okay, dear friends, I am
Okay, Ankit, would you like to add something else?
Yes, sir.
Please be effective.
Yes, sir. Smoke coming from factories is also the main cause of global warming. So all countries should come together to control it and to save our environment.
Okay, dear friends, I am totally agree with you about various power plants and factory. So government should take some preventive stop to control it.
Students should be very proper.
Yeah, I agree with you. Due to global warming, our ozone depletion is increasing day by day, which prevents UV rays. That's why many diseases are increasing day by day.
Dear
Yes,
friends, I
I
am
am
totally
totally
agree with you. Global warming is the result of emission of different type of harmful gases from various power plants like carbon monoxide, carbon dioxide, methane, and chlorofluorocarbon.
Yes, definitely. I am totally agree with you. Due to global warming, many.
Yes, my dear friend, I am totally agree with you. Global warming is the main cause of pollution, and all the countries should come together to take some preventive step. And dear friends, in my opinion, if we play with nature, nature will play us, which we have seen in the many form like flood, earthquake, and tsunamis.
Yes, dear my friends, I am absolutely agree with you. But if global warming can be controlled by, we should use stop more vehicles and effective use of renewable energy.
Yes, definitely. I am totally agree with you. To stop global warming, all the nations should come together and stop more usage of vehicle and planted more trees.
Dear
Yeah,
friends, I am
I agree.
totally agree with you. Due to global warming, plant and animal most affected because the high temperature will melt in ice in Greenland and will melt in ice and the will melt in ice.
Yes, my dear friend, I am totally agree with you. Due to global warming, ozone depletion is increasing day by day, which prevent ultraviolet rays, and which is very harmful for all the humanity.
All of three are allowed to speak.
Yeah, I agree with you. Due to global warming, animals and plants affected the most, and also the increasing temperature, ice will melt in Greenlands. That's why sea level and ocean level is increasing. This is not.
Yes, friend, I agree with you. In my opinion, due to global warming, animals and plants are affected the most because high temperature will make ice in Greenland and increase the sea level of oceans, which will be very harmful for the humanity.
Please conclude the topic finally.
Dear friends, so finally, in my opinion, global warming is the biggest issue not only India but also all over the world. So all the nations should come together and take some preventive steps and to control the more use of vehicle and the planting more trees and the effective use of renewable energy.
Yes, my dear friend, I totally agree with you. And at last, I would like to say that this is the not responsibility of our government. It is the responsibility of our common man. So we can stop the global warming by renewable energy and planting more trees.